kitchen. We're gonna make homemade donuts. Grams of original biscuits. And you cut a hole in them with this. A bigger one.
Yeah, right in the middle. Oh, that's not the middle. And turn it a little bit. Good job.
I did it. I have all the circles cut out. We'll have to fry it on a pan with oil. Hey, buddy, let's fry it. The donuts are done cooking. We're going to make a topping. We take a half a cup of sugar. Oops. Some teaspoons of cinnamon on this side. We mix it with my spoon. Spoon. I swirl it up. Get off the sides. There, got the cinnamon off the sides. Mix it all together to become cinnamon and sugar. Once it starts cooking, we're going to dip up in cinnamon sugar.
Okay, dip them.
With the tongs.
Yeah, that's fine.
I can use the tongs for the dip up. Use a spoon. Again. The whole thing is cinnamon sugar. There, I did it. I'll top the cinnamon sugar. Time to dry. Dry. There, this is a little.
Yeah, you can eat the little ones.
They're not hot.